Here on Disney Cruise Line's brand new ship, the Disney Destiny, there is so much to do, there is so much to see, and there's so much to eat. So sometimes it can get overwhelming, so where do you even begin? So in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 must-dos that you cannot miss here on the Disney Destiny. Let's get started. Alright guys, so must-do here on the Disney Destiny is a pretty obvious one, and that's to ride the AquaMouse. It is a water coaster, and what makes this one a little different than the Treasure and the Wish, this one is hero and villains theme. It's called the Mickey and Minnie Mouse Scuba Scramble, and it is an absolute 10 out of 10 ride. So guys, you absolutely gotta ride the AquaMouse here on the Disney Destiny. Alright guys, our next must-do here on the Disney Destiny is a spooky one, but we gotta head down to Deck 3 to go check it out. Let's go see. The Haunted Mansion Parlor is spectacular, and it's absolutely one of my favorite spaces here on the Disney Destiny. As soon as you step inside, it's completely immersive, and it really makes you feel like you're going within the Haunted Mansion ride at Walt Disney World. The level of detail is amazing, down to the moving and singing paintings. They have a lot of different spooky drink options, including wine, beer, and cocktails. I went with the 13th hour, which was $18. This included rum, lemon juice, and mango, and it was delicious. There is also a secret menu that you have to put in a particular code to get in. Not going to give it away, but this is really cool as well. The Haunted Mansion Parlor is an absolute must-do here on the Disney Destiny. Make sure you take some time out of your cruise to come in here and enjoy this space. You will not regret it. Alright guys, behind me is Edna a la Mode Sweets. This is an absolute must-do here on the Disney Destiny. So many different varieties of sweet treats. You got to give it a try here. And they have so many sweet treat options here, including candy, cakes, ice cream, and there's a bunch of different toppings that you could put on your ice cream, and also cupcakes. We decided to go with the cupcakes. We got Violet's cupcakes, which includes purple velvet. This one was $5.50, and we also got Jack Jack's cupcakes, which included cookies and cream. This one was also $5.50. And our favorite was Jack Jack's cupcake. That cookie and cream flavor was absolutely delicious. And the next must-do thing to do here on the Disney Destiny is right behind me here. Walk all the way up these steps towards the very front of the ship and get the best view of the entire ship, right at the very front. Now the only thing with this here, a lot of times it is closed off depending on the wind here. A lot of times they have it opened up when the ship is docked. So I'm about to head up here now and show you exactly what it's like here. The Black Panther is the heart and soul of the Disney Destiny. And the next must-do is to take a pause and to take in the beauty of the majestic Grand Hall. The design of the Grand Hall is inspired by Wakanda, and at the centerpiece, they have an amazing statue that honors the late Chadwick Boseman as the Black Panther. And the Black Panther statue is such a beautiful and powerful statue. The attention to detail is simply top-notch. You can even see the purple streaks of kinetic energy within his suit. The video just does not do this justice. You have to see this in person. So beautiful. The Grand Hall is the first thing that you see when you board the Disney Destiny, but make sure you take some time throughout your cruise to just take it all in, look at it. It's simply amazing. Disney Cruise Line, they knocked this out of the park. On the Disney Destiny, they have 3 main dining restaurants: Worlds of Marvel, 1923, and the next one is an absolute must-do that you cannot skip, and that's Pride Land's Feast of the Lion King. This was by far my favorite restaurant on the Disney Destiny. What makes this restaurant so special is the live entertainment and music that is completely inspired by the Lion King. The performers are so good. They sing all the classic Lion King songs, which make the dining experience so much more special. And during the performances, they have lights shining on the wall that are shaped like Simba as well. Just a really cool touch. The food is African-inspired cuisine, and it was absolutely delicious. For my main entree, it had the shrimp curry, and it kind of surprised me. It was so flavorful, very delicious, and I even said if I were to come back, I would definitely get this dish again. For dessert, I had the passion fruit layer cake, and it was delicious as well. Very flavorful, not too overpowering, not too sweet, just delicious. I had such a fun time in this restaurant, and even all the way down to the final music performances. The musicians had the whole restaurant waving their napkins in the air and a lot of excitement. It was amazing. Just such a fun experience. I highly recommend that you do not skip Pride Land's Feast of the Lion King. Even if you're not the biggest fan of the Lion King, don't skip this restaurant. You will have a great time anyway, and you will enjoy the food also. And the next must-do here on the Disney Destiny is take a visit to the bar Cask Cannon, located on Deck 5. Cask Cannon is inspired by Pirates of the Caribbean, and this bar really surprised us. We really enjoyed ourselves here. The food was great, the drinks was really good as well, and it had a really nice atmosphere inside. The bar has a great menu as well, with a lot of different drinking options, including on-tap beer, cocktails, specialty drink options, and pretty good options of bar food as well, including buffalo wings, loaded potatoes, and German pretzel. We decided to try one of the lager options, the Le Tropical. It was $8.25, and it was pretty good. It had a great taste. For a snack, we got the German pretzel, and it was a giant Peruvian pretzel, and it was delicious. So we also decided to get the Dead Man's Chest, which was $25, which includes 2 drinks with rum, pineapple, lime, agave, and coconut. And the drinks were absolutely delicious, but it was really cool. They brought it out in a treasure chest, and they had a couple different chocolate and treasures in there as well. So really added on to the experience. 10 out of 10 bar. The next must-do here on the Disney Destiny is Wretch Runway Cruelle's fashion show. All this on the Disney Cruise Line app. Make sure you check the app for different type of activities throughout the ship. And this one is located in the Grand Hall. Absolutely recommend this, guys. This was a lot of fun. We were surprised to see how many people showed up here for this event, and this cruise is a pretty popular event, so make sure you get here early because it will be crowded. And this was such a fun event. It is really cool how they have different adults and kids dressed up in different Cruella-inspired fashion and designs and costumes. It's just a lot of fun, and it really is a cool experience. And Cruella de Vil herself makes an appearance, and she is there to judge all the different fashion designs and costumes. It is really cool. One cool thing that I noticed during the fashion show is that the runway music does interact with your magic band. Just a really cool Disney touch. So make sure you do not miss the Wretch Runway Cruella's fashion show. So much fun. Absolute must do here on the Disney Destiny.
Incredible Cruella de Vil!
All right, guys, one other must-do that you cannot miss here on the Disney Destiny is doing funnel vision. Funnel vision, they play a lot of different Disney movies throughout the day, and in particular at night. I highly recommend doing it at night where you can sit underneath the stars and enjoy the movie. And it really makes the cruise experience so much more spectacular. And one other bonus tip I wanted to show you guys with Disney Cruise Line, they do offer free sodas and fountain drinks. We're here right next to the pool area on deck 11. So this is really cool. You don't have to pay for this. This is all included within your cruise here. All right, our last must-do here on the Disney Destiny is a pretty phenomenal one that's going to be located at the Walt Disney Theater. And that's make sure you take some time to check out one of the showings of the Disney Hercules Broadway musical. Disney Cruise Line does not allow any video recording of the show, so I was not able to get any footage. This show is absolutely amazing. Cannot miss this show. The production is top-notch. The music is phenomenal. I'm such a fan of Hercules, so I was highly anticipating seeing this show. And the performer that actually plays Hercules, amazing job, amazing voice. And this is a show that you cannot miss. Just make sure you take some time throughout the cruise to check out one of the showings here of Disney Hercules. All right, guys, that is going to do it for the video today. And those are my 10 must-dos that you cannot miss here on the Disney Destiny. The Disney Destiny, guys, is a top-notch ship. Definitely one of my favorite Disney Cruise Line ships. There's so much to do and see. The entertainment is amazing, the food is amazing, and the service is amazing as well. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys in planning your trip here on the Disney Destiny. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, as well as consider subscribing to our channel, where we're going to bring you more travel content just like this. We'll catch you in the next video.